A successful city is full of people.
A city is a reflection of society's values.
Where we find meaning is through the interaction as human beings with each other.
In many ways, our future relies on the success of our cities. We're going to hit 10 billion people on the planet by 2050, which means an additional 2 billion people within only 30 years. And nearly all of those people, they will want to live in cities. So that means architects and developers and urban planners, they need to come up with new ways of meeting this growth. They need new and more powerful tools, which is why we created Spacemaker. Spacemaker is the world's first commercial platform that uses artificial intelligence to help architects, urban planners, and developers make better decisions faster.
Spacemaker makes architects even more effective than they are today because we can answer all of those questions that are hard to answer for humans and requires computation to enable them to focus on the creative side.
What you do is you input all of your data into our platform, and then our system starts processing billions of possibilities and returns detailed layouts of the best possible options.
It's all about the right analysis from the start. It helped us to see if you combine the two good things here with the three good things over here, then you get a masterpiece.
So Spacemaker was founded in the Nordics, and one of our early customers, NREP, they want to make real estate development better.
I think it's fairly evident why Spacemaker fits very neatly to this. The whole process of designing buildings is inefficient. They've identified a way in which they can try to address this problem by using new technology and using AI.
In a recent project they have in Sweden, the planning authorities, they made them change the design overnight. Now that's when they saw the real value of using Spacemaker.
Making such a change architecturally, engineeringly, making sure it actually works, normally would take easily a month. With Spacemaker, we were able to fundamentally within a day make these changes.
Spacemaker is now expanding internationally. We set up an office in Cambridge, next door to MIT, where there's a growing focus on the importance of computation in urban planning.
At MIT, we've taken steps to make sure that our students are prepared for this new technological reality when they enter the real world. The degree we've created is called Urban Science and Planning with Computer Science, where the requirements are one-to-one urban planning theory and computer science technique. If they don't have that literacy, they aren't effective arbitrators of the urban environment.
The pressure on the people who are designing the cities of tomorrow is getting more intense. If they are to realize the livable and sustainable cities that we need, they need new powerful tools. At Spacemaker, we believe that we have a role to play.